My name is Fatile Ayodele. Today we are looking at the fundamentals, the A to Z of a smart home. Are you planning to own a house? You own one. Or you develop for people and wondering how the home can be smart? If yes is the answer, then I have some valuable information for you. Welcome on board. In this video, we will be looking at what is a smart and an intelligent home, the basics, the benefits, the technology, the application, the major players, and future outlook. Relax and enjoy the video.
Make sure he brings his costume, okay? See you there.
Give me a smile.
Toby, get down.
Hey Google, vacuum the kitchen.
Hey Google, play my dinner playlist.
A smart home makes life easy by automating those things that are so annoying in everyday life. Said by Manuel Scriba, a smart home expert. What a smart home does is to make your home fun without much stress. We live in a stressful world. Your home should be a place to relax. You want to control your light, open the door, play music. You want to open your window, off your TV, clean your floor without much stress. If you're interested in doing that, then you need to watch this video. A smart home is a home that is equipped with lighting, with heating, with electronic devices that can be controlled remotely by either a smartphone or your computer. It's a dwelling, it's a home, it's a house that is incorporating communication networks that connects the key electrical appliances and services and allows them to be remotely controlled or accessed. An intelligent home can be defined as the integration of different devices for the automated control of home appliances.
Alexa, turn on the up lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the living room lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn off all the lights.
Okay.
So it can also control all the lights. That is one of the groups I have set up. As you can see here, it's the kitchen. Alexa, turn on the kitchen lights.
Okay.
Alexa, turn on the entry lights.
Okay.
Now let's look at the basics. What a smart home does basically is to connect, to network appliances and devices. And it allows automatic and remote control from a mobile device or other networked devices. The available information from your electricity, from your heating, your cooling, your camera is recorded and is analyzed and interpreted, tailored for your specific use. You have the liberty to program the way you want your devices to work to suit your need. That is basically the basics and one of the advantages of a smart home. How do they look like? Smart home devices, they are small, but they are capable of performing varying and intelligent activities. All right. One way to know a smart device is the fact that they are internet enabled. All right. They are able to communicate to each other, otherwise referred to as the Internet of Things. In our world of today, it is not only a phone that can be smart, Example of smart devices include your speakers, your TV, your AC, your lights, your camera, your door locks, your window, all right, your curtain, your fridge, your washing machine, your switches, your sockets, your sanitary ware, and a lot of products out there that can be smart. Okay, what do people really want in a home that is smart? Research has shown that people want their homes to be energy efficient. They want their homes to be secure. They want their home to be easily accessible to the occupants only, right? They want comfort. They want to be equipped with modern multimedia technologies that are available out there. So what are the benefits? What are the benefits of using a smart home? Why do you need to invest in a smart home? All right, the benefits of installing a smart home includes the following. You have increased security, you have improved overall comfort, your quality of life is improved, healthcare is improved. Your smartwatch can be able to take your vitals in case of emergency, automatically connected to your hospital, which activates an emergency response. It makes life more improved and more qualitative. You save a lot of time, and of course you increase sustainability.
In my bedroom, I have a couple lamps here, as well as that pendant light up there. So Alexa, turn on the bedroom lights. Alexa, turn on the bedroom lights. So you can see we've got this bedroom lamp connected, as well as this light right here, and as well as these pendant lights. Alexa, turn on the closet light. A little overkill, but closet is also in there. It's nice because this is set up on a timer, so after 10 minutes this will automatically turn off.
Alright, before we move on, we need to tell you that there are a lot of limitations which we have to be aware of. The technology is still at the infant stage. A lot has been done already, but it's still at the infant stage. It can also be vulnerable to hackers like every other email, even your phone, your computer is also vulnerable to hackers, but there are a lot of things that can be put in place to checkmate your vulnerability, like your password, your Wi-Fi, the kind of account that you connect to your home network. Automation is also another thing that has not been fully accepted. A lot of people still do not accept automation. At the initial stage, also devices can be expensive, and privacy concerns remains high, but all those disadvantages can always be handled to be on the safer side. So who are the major players presently in this industry? It's a wide industry, and there are a lot of big players like Google, Honeywell, Amazon, ABB, LG, Apple, Samsung, Sony Corporation, and Siemens. But the three major players are Google, Amazon, and Apple. Their voice assistant for Google is Google Assistant. For Amazon, we have the Alexa, and for Apple, we have Siri. And the three has comparative advantage in some areas. We will be looking at this during our next video. So how do we achieve this connection of devices? It can be done through integrated smart home or standalone solutions. Now, for the integrated smart homes, it has a central control unit, while a standalone solution suitable for our homes does not involve a central control unit, but a simple smart device which can be smart your smartphone or through what is called a hub. The connection can be achieved in two ways. You can achieve the connection of your devices through cabling. All right. This requires a lot of cables, but the advantage is that it's more secure. Another way is through your Wi-Fi. Your devices can be connected through cloud connection using your Wi-Fi. So it means the way, the platform through which those devices will be connected together is through a Wi-Fi. It means all you just need to get is a Wi-Fi router in your house, and you connect all those devices to that Wi-Fi. All right. This is the beauty of a smart home. All right. Control can be achieved through a lot of devices. You can use your smartphone, you can use your computer, you can use your tablet, you can use your voice control, you can use your gesture control, you can use your watches, and a lot of stuffs out there are available for you to control how your house is going to be. So the system works like this. You get a smartphone, you get smart devices, you get a Wi-Fi router, and you do if you are using your smartphone to do the combination, you need to download a app. In the case of Google, you need to download a Google Home, or you get a Google Hub Nest device. You now do the programming of all the devices as you want it to be done. Now, a word of caution. I must advise that if you want to get a smart device, there are 4 cardinal points to guide you. There are a lot of counterfeit products out there. Your device must be secure, it must conserve energy, it must be comfortable, and it must be able to give you some level of protection. So basically, what happens in a smart home is that you have smart devices, you connect either by cable or by Wi-Fi through a hub, and you program routines like watching your favorite programs on TV, cleaning the floor, switching off the light, winding down the curtain, etc., either by voice control or opening the hub interface to your phone or a device like a tablet. It can program what happens when you enter your home, like when you enter, your light comes on, your AC or your fan starts working. You can change the color of your light to be warm, windows come on, TV comes on, all just to suit your purpose. So when you have your smart devices, all you just need to do is to program it to suit the way you live your life, and voila, you enjoy your smartness of your house. So what are the things that you can use it? Applications of a smart home. Thermostat switches off when no one is in the house. Your cooling system and your heating system, you can make it smart and work the way you are able to remotely control them. Your security, and this includes doors and window contacts, motion detectors, surveillance cameras, your fire detectors, humidity and water sensors. It informs when someone tampers with the window or door. It notifies when the basement is flooded. It can check whether or not children have arrived home. It can check, for example, if an elderly person has left their bed. Your household equipment, vacuum cleaner comes to play. Smart washing machines send notification when the laundry is ready to dry. Smart refrigerators with internal cameras provide an overview of contents. Even smart coffee maker can automatically make coffee when you get out of bed or come home. The lighting, you can change the color of your lighting to whatever you want. You can adapt it to the time of the day. The presence of residents can be simulated to deter burglars. Alright, if you are technology savvy and you want your light to dim automatically when your TV is set to cinema mode, relaxing music or the news can turn on when entering the bathroom in the morning. Select your favorite music anywhere via app or voice command. So Google, a lot of assistants are there to help us. Assistance system can be used to improve our fitness or compensate for a disability. A fitness tracker reminds users to get moving, records activity and measures pulse. A wearable emergency call button can be used by people with age-related restrictions, chronic diseases and disabilities. So the outlook of a smart home, the control of household appliances via gesture or voice command will continue to gain traction. Revenue in Germany only will reach an upward of 19 billion euros by 2025. There will be 50 billion devices networked. That was 2020. The demand for transparency in technical data protection information will always remain an issue. Closing all these gaps, of course, is a major priority for all the players in the smart home industry. So what are the things that researchers, that industry players should look out for? Of course, new startups are coming to the market. Smart language assistants like Alexa, like Google Assistant, like Siri, they are also making waves. Blockchain technology, like we have in crypto, is also something that it guarantees secure databases and communication. This will allow the industry to gain more traction and to be trusted. Of course, artificial intelligence, they are also very, very handy in this field. Thank you very much for watching the videos. In subsequent videos, we will be looking at more details about a smart home. Kindly subscribe to our YouTube channel, or you call the number or send us mail for inquiries. Thank you.